Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Xiaomi launched their Mi Note 10 Lite. Back in November 2019 they launched their Mi Note 10 and Note 10 Pro. So finally Mi Note 10 Lite has been launched by Xiaomi as its latest mid-range smartphone with the Mi branding. The new Mi Note 10 series phone is third in line after the Mi Note 10 and Note 10 Pro. It's retained the 3D curved AMOLED display that was available on the earlier Mi smartphone. However, apart from the display, there are various changes. The Mi Note 10 Lite is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G SoC and comes with a quad rear camera setup. The smartphone also supports 30-watt fast charging. Furthermore, the Mi Note 10 Lite has 3 color option. So now talking about the availability and pricing of the Mi Note 10 Lite, price is set euro 349 euro for the 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage variant. The 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage model of this phone available in 399 euro. Although the company has said there will be up to 8 GB of RAM on this phone, it has not revealed the price of a 8 GB of RAM model. The smartphone will go offered in midnight black, purple and glacier white color option. Moreover, it will go on sale starting next month May in mid. So now talking about the specification of this smartphone, the Mi Note 10 Lite is come with a dual nano SIM and it's run Android 10 with MIUI 11 and feature a 6.47-inch Full HD plus 1080p by 2340 pixel curved AMOLED display along with a water drop stylus notch, and it has a Gorilla Glass 5 and a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The phone display also support HDR10 under the hood. The hardware on this phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G SoC coupled with a 6 GB and 8 GB of RAM. On the backside, the quad rear camera setup includes 64 megapixel primary shooter and 8 megapixel secondary sensor along with ultra wide angle lens. The smartphone also has a 5 megapixel deep sensor and 2 megapixel macro camera. There are 2 LED flash module on the back as well. For selfie, there is a front 16 megapixel camera sensor at the front side. The Xiaomi has provided up to 128 GB of storage on board storage on the Mi 10 Lite, but the phone does not support expansion micro SD card. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, IR blaster and USB Type-C. The phone also has an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Mi Note 10 Lite pack a 5260 mAh battery that support 30-watt fast charging. The company will also provide 30-watt fast charger in the box. So guys, let me know in the comment section, are you like the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite latest smartphone? And also like this video and subscribe for more cool tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.